Greetings, one and all, from the Oval Office. Make that rectangular office of voice tracks. Kidding. Hi, everybody. Listen, I want to take this time to wish every single one of you out there a happy holidays. And I know I can speak for Vicky and Ronnie and Chuck. Can I speak for you guys?
Oh, please do. You know what's in our hearts.
Yeah. So I want y'all to know that I'm speaking for all of us here when, oh my gosh, we just want to thank all of you from the bottom of our hearts. So from you students that come to class every day, you work so hard and you're so focused and you're all coming here with a dream that you're trying to achieve and you bring joy and laughter and light to almost every classroom experience. I mean, come on, let's be honest. To you instructors who, oh my gosh, give so much of yourself. You're constantly reinventing yourself and coming up with new viable ways to teach and we just appreciate everything you bring to the party every week. And certainly a gigantic thank you to all of our volunteer engineers, because quite honestly, without you guys, this place could not nor would not exist. So we cannot thank all of you enough. And lastly, I also need to thank our volunteer engineers and our volunteer teachers who have really embraced our 2019 theme of paying it forward. It's been so inspiring to see you guys give so much of yourselves to, again, people that have a dream. And I have to speak for myself. I am reborn. I have had such a wonderful time offering the introductory lecture, offering that for free in 2019. I didn't know how I was going to feel, and again, all I can say is I feel reborn. It's amazing for me to be able to walk in here for those lectures and now share over 40 years. I'm crying over that. No. But honestly, sharing over 40 years of experience, and now, hard-earned experience, now being able to just freely and lovingly give that to people that cross Voice Track's threshold, again, with a dream and a desire, a curiosity. And so doing these lectures, it's just brought me so much joy. And so yes, for 2020, we are going to continue our Paying It Forward theme with our Pay It Forward parlors, all of the fun contests and giveaways we do. And yes, we're going to be continuing to offer the introductory lecture for free. And all of that kind of stuff, like I said, it just couldn't happen. All of the components that make up Voice Tracks are just that. All of it makes up who we are. And I just couldn't be prouder, and I couldn't be more grateful, and I couldn't be more filled with love for each and every one of you. So I'm wishing everybody a happy holidays, a wonderful 2020, and I know the team feels exactly the same way. And so with this, I say, see you around.